How to cancel Starz on Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can cancel Starz on Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have got a Starz subscription on Amazon Prime and you would like to cancel it, it's actually quite a simple process. First, open up your browser, go to amazon.com and log into your account. Then tap your profile name and then just go to the option called your account and then tap on the see all button. Now when you come to your account page, you have to enable a desktop site if you're using on mobile. If you're already using on laptop or desktop, you don't have to do this. But if you're using on mobile, in my Google Chrome, tap on the three dots, then request a desktop site for this your account page. When you request a desktop site, now you'll see this type of interface. On PC, you will already see this interface by default, so you don't have to do this. Now if you look right over here under membership and subscriptions, one of the options you'll find there is Prime Video channels, right? So just make sure to tap on Prime Video channels. When you go to Prime Video channels, in my case here you will see your membership option. In this case you'll also find the Starz subscription if you do have the Starz subscription, where you'll find the option to cancel it on the right hand side. So when you select that, you just have to confirm the process and cancel the subscription, and this way you should be able to cancel Starz on Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.